Good morning, people of the internet. This is your usual person, and today is going to consist of a couple things. First of all, laundry. Second of all, finally getting caught up on vlogs. There's only one that hasn't been uploaded yet, and that was yesterday's. So technically, I'm already caught up, but anyway. Third, going to Zoyo for a night shift. Not the most exciting thing in the world, I will admit, but I'm up for it. So let's do this. I need to find a day other than Saturday to do laundry. That was the most people I've ever seen in that freaking room. There were like 4 people in there. But for the space that's actually in that room, the laundry room, there's just way too many people. Oh, and you missed an embarrassing moment for me. I was putting stuff in the washer with 2 other people in the room. And it wasn't until I put my clothes and detergent in the washer that I realized the machine wasn't on. It wasn't working. And I didn't want to pull everything out just yet. So I waited like a good 3 minutes for these 2 people to just leave on their own. So I can drag my now detergent soaked clothes into another washing machine. So yeah, that was fun. Shaky camera. Hopefully there's not going to be a lot of people when I get my laundry later on. But anyway, my siblings have tucked me into playing tabletop for the first time. Haven't played it at all, but it's supposed to be one of those cardboard game things. So I'm a pretty big fan of board games, so I'm really excited to try this out. We'll see if I can get some footage of that, but I'm pretty sure if anything happens, it's gonna be like spur of the moment, so probably won't be able to get anything on film. If I do, here it is. If not, we'll move on.
The pieces are the things with the silver bases.
The silver bases, okay.
Just choose one.
They're all pictures of SpongeBob characters.
Pickle!
Yeah, pickle.
I think it's Larry or whatever.
Yeah.
I can't remember the guy's name.
Squidward.
What is the lobster?
How come the first one that I see is the one that hardly anybody knows?
It's pickle Rick, guys.
Oh wait, no, that's Kevin.
Kevin.
Whatever you call him.
Not Pickle Rick, it's Kevin.
That's a really creepy Patrick picture.
Yeah, you know.
I'm gonna be Kevin.
Kevin.
Hey.
Okay. Now it's my turn to roll, and I'm now going to get a 6.
My hand is blue.
Woo!
Okay.
5.
Oh.
3. 4, 5.
Nope. Nope.
Sorry. No.
Yes. That's how the game works. You go up the golden escalators to seek God, and you win.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness. Well, Patrick.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you feeling it now, Mr.
Well,
What did you do to me?
ah,
What was that?
that was supposed to be a dolphin.
Why is it on a 1? Who got a 1?
I got a 1.
Uh-oh.
That's why I said number 11.
1.
Hey!
Are you kidding me? 5. You missed 1 escalator at least.
5. Oh yeah.
SpongeBob.
Ah, escalator. 4. Freaking.
Oh.
I'm still all the way down here.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
Calm down.
3. I got a 3.
Apparently,
Hey, Eric, I thought
apparently she didn't notice that.
first, did you skip somebody? I mean,
No,
Eric, did you skip him? Like,
no.
no.
Jenny, I'm sorry for you. You went on the eel.
Apparently it's not my turn though, so I'm fine.
Oh, sorry. I thought you went already.
Why is she down here?
Because she landed on the... She got a 7.
No, I did not.
Okay. Apparently it wasn't my turn, so I'm safe.
It landed on its corner. The dice landed on its corner, so it's automatically a 7.
No.
What did it say when you hovered over it with your mouse? Because it tells you what it is.
7.
Go, Mr. Go, Mr. 7. Go, Mr. 7.
It's Eric's turn.
Oh. What is it?
3.
7.
7. Wait. Yeah, it is a 7.
Party.
Where did that
Oh no!
That's why you press R.
It's a 2.
No, it's not. It fell off the table.
But it landed on 2.
It's
It landed on 2.
It spawned on 2.
Toggle.
Oh no, you landed on an escalator.
That's not...
Well, you better calm yourself down.
4.
That's still
1,
about, like,
2,
half the volume
3.
of this word.
Crap! No! I'm the star of this show. This shouldn't be happening to me.
Yeah, Kevin, the star of SpongeBob. The most memorable character of Kevin. He had the best role on SpongeBob. Kevin, the cable guy.
Cable guy. Give me a second to move first before you make that sound.
No. I moved 1, and then Eric goes after you, so... No.
I was on this space!
He was right. He was right. He moved forward.
Screw it, I win by default. Wow, guys, we're really making a big progress.
Wow.
Oh, wait. Man,
You gonna, yep. Okay.
screw this. Oh, it gave me a 6.
Edward, no.
2, 3, 4. Crap, one off. What is that?
It's a 4.
It is not.
Okay, Chris.
He went too far and died. 4.
Yay.
4. 6.
Still going, bud?
I'm a trooper. I 2, 3, 4. Oh! I'm gonna win this yet, baby! I believe in myself! I got the eye of the tiger! Boo! I got a 5.
Cutting out so much.
Just one more, and I could get the escalator. I died. I can make it. I know. How did it go that way? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Screw it. Screw it. Just imagine I said bad words 1 through 75.
Clearly your fault.
It looks like I severed Bart Simpson's hand off. Okay.
Push F to
Flip. And this is something on Discord.
Soft.
This is soft, malleable, pliable, mushy.
boy.
Is nobody gonna get rid of Eric?
He's very mushy.
You're gonna get your blindfold on, bud?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Go.
It's like, let me just see who puts what. I like the flavor text on hairballs.
You know, I had some.
What? Let me
biscuits,
see. Let me
so
see
they're
that.
pretty soft, man.
The flavor text on hairballs is cough it up, kitty.
Not pythons. Whoa!
You lodged it in the table.
How'd I do that?
You really wanted to get rid of that cut.
Yes, I did. Pythons are not soft. Okay.
It's the rando.
Yep, that was the rando.
Yep.
I kind of figured. Will that be the title of this? I want hairballs.
Yeah, I mean, that or cough it up, kitty.
That too.
Cough it up, kitty.
I'm gonna use that clip too.
Wow, his face looks different right now. Anyway, I'm finally done with work. I say finally because it definitely took me a lot longer than it should have. It's Saturday, and I solo closed. Not anyone else's fault that I solo closed, though, I will admit. It was actually my choice whether or not to solo close this time. In the terms of person A asked the whole store if there was anybody who could take his shift. Person B told person A that they would be happy to do it if I could solo close for them, because this was originally going to be a 2-person shift. They asked if I could solo close for them so that they could take person 1 shift, and I said sure. The only problem is, well, I thought they were talking about Wednesday instead of today. It wasn't until Wednesday when they showed up, I was like, oh, hey, what's up? This is awkward. You're not showing up on Saturday, are you? No? Okay, I'll just do it. It's not a good idea to vlog after it's like later than your body expected that you'd stay up and you listen to Chris Porter or any comedian. I decided to listen to Chris Porter. I was already like really upset because I was like slammed. I'm pretty sure I told you that I hold. Whoa. Maybe that's why I hold the camera down there. I was already like upset because I got slammed in the last like hour or two. So I knew I was going to be late. So I thought I would just listen to the comedian who is not only is my favorite comedian personally, but is also the comedian with the, sorry, I got a twinge. Is the only comedian with the catchphrase, "Are you kidding me?" I mean, that's not what he says, but that's like the PG version of what he says. So I am going to leave. I'm going to sleep. And tomorrow you're going to actually be able to finally see what the inside of my grandparents' church looks like. Freaking thrilling, I know. I just realized, if anybody ever wants to see what I'd sound like drunk, this is pretty much it. You just have to get me incredibly freaking tired. You don't even have to worry about me slurring my speech. I do that automatically. I do that if I'm wide awake. In fact, you know I'm tired. If there is ever a point in my future where I get high or drunk, you're going to know, because I'm going to be able to talk in complete sentences without a problem. I have a feeling. I'm gonna walk through the front door. Whoever I'm living with is gonna be like, "Hey, how was your day?" I'm going to be like, "Today was exquisite. I walked the dog, I mowed the lawn, I went to my friend's house and we played a couple of games." It's like, You're on, aren't you? Yeah, I kind of am. You're a little bit more fidgety than normal. Oh, you noticed that? I didn't even notice that. I think that's the cue that I need to go to sleep. Like, go home and go to sleep and shut this off. The moment you mention at all is the moment where you need to shut up. So yeah, I'm going to church tomorrow. Anyway. Thanks for watching. I'm crazy, I know. Have a good one.